Umentri rangba ukonrat ki sangmau lepli ke CM Connect Center ha Sohiong C&Rd block ha ke khat pratrik naitung ha ke jingalang bela shimentari ki officer bat ki ba ke ni ke block development. Ha ke ni ke sngi la Thung mau Nongrim bontli ki Pynroi ha ke ni ke than ha ke jingalang ke belolong hamadan mau tak belun. Ha ke ni ke jingalang la donlang uba sostenes sotun menteri ke tanat C&Rd ba senchar Khuborjylla lingdo thaba MLA bat ki ba na ke ni ke than. Ha ka jingkren umentri rangba ulapen pau ka jingkmen ban Plie ke CM Connect Center bat ban Thung mau Nongrim ki Pynroi ha ka ni ka than. Ulo ong ka ni ka sngi ke bekerpang ha ka bala Thung mau Nongrim na ka benta pratali ki project ki basyongdor Sun Point Saupu pra kelur tingka na ka benta ki ba ka than Sohiong. Ulo ong sa kandai tali ki project ki basyongdor Shispa Saupau kelur tingka ban kenti wikishnong ha ka ni ka than. Uba pentingan lang nongrang na kasnong nong ubala syakri khat nyaus nem kenti kum usipai ke First Assam Regiment ule play pa ke scheme Block Integrated Development ke basyongdor R.nyau klur tingka. Menteri rangba ulo ongru baro syikata la jupli ke nu ke program di ki kongsan Henry minta la ailat di ki rangba na kisnong ban long ki kongsan ban play ki program khmat ki pa. Ulo ongru de kani ke jing ainam hekiri rangba ki ban kisnong ban kenti wi ke buram jong ki bala syakri minot halaki kam ki duk hakajing jongki. Hakani ke jing yalang menteri rangba ulo ai bai sengru shiki self help group bacha ki village organization.
Project 6, Plastic Waste Management Unit at Mark.
I request all the block officials to kindly proceed to the back.
You want to go inside? Come on, man. So our idea is that they should be. But it doesn't come. We can hold it together. Come. And this is CM Connect office. Actually, Nongrim. Come. 1, 2, 3. Come. Morning. Yes. Sure. Is somebody there? Okay. So, for the citizens and for the press and the media, so this is what we call the CM Connect centers. As you already know that the CM Connect is a program. The CM Connect is an idea that the Chief Minister must connect with the grassroots, must connect with the people. And in order to connect governance with the people, we are using multiple channels. And therefore, whether it's the call center, whether it's a CM Connect program, which is what we're going to have after some time, or whether it is centers like these, where people can come and they can address, they can express their grievances out here. I will just try, I'm not very good at this, but I'll just try. I'm told that there is some complaint that is there. So let me inaugurate this Sohiong CM Connect Center by being the person to take the first complaint officially. Come. Okay. Yeah, so what is the grievance? Please tell me what is the issue that you have facing, problem facing?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Facing problem of our village. Main thing is for farmer, that is the irrigation. 1 point. And number 2 is the main thing is playground. Medium. Mini stadium for playground. And also for the health department also have to upgrade for the CSC also.
Which village is this?
It's not for this area. Okay. And then for the area for the village, need for the boarding community hall.
Right. So what we will be doing, just to share with you, so that because we don't have much time, that all these points now here, which have been mentioned here by Jirwa.
Yes.
And what we'll be doing is that this center here is an online center. So there are agents out here. We'll be entering all the issues that have been mentioned here by Jirwa. These will go straight to the different departments, and the different departments will then take up this matter, revert back to the center, and this center will then revert back to Khubor. Of course, we have to know that we cannot solve all the problems. Yeah, but what we will do is that at least we will ensure that we note everything down and work towards solving it. And there are some of them which are very simple, that we understand, like for example, the mini stadium that you mentioned. These are areas we can easily work on. Irrigation depends on how big the area is, so we have to work into all the details. But friends, the point being that this kind of a system and this kind of a process allows people now to connect with the government and express their concerns and their problems in a very, very simple and a direct way. So I hope and I wish this center the very best. And please remember, you are the most important people in the center. Your one small smile can make a big difference. I can see that you guys smile very nicely. So please be kind to the people. Please be good to them and take care of them. I think being kind is maybe 50% of the work that we try to do through CM Connect, to be empathetic, to understand the people's problem. And I think that's very, very important. Okay? So good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you, Majula. Thanks.